Hi, this is Sarah Marks, one of the librarians here at UMass Lowell. For this video, I'm going to briefly show you the cite while you write feature from EndNote. Now I'm showing you this on a Mac, PC, and even more updated versions of Microsoft Word will look very different from what I'm showing you. But keep in mind, all these features are still there. They just might look a little different or be in a different spot. Now you have to download this software from from EndNote. It comes automatically if you're using the software, but if you're using the web version only, you do have to download it separately based on using a PC or a Mac. Since I'm showing you a Mac, this is what it will look like. Also, keep in mind, this only works with Microsoft Word. It does not work with Google Docs, OpenOffice, Microsoft Works, or any other word processing software like Pages for Mac users. This is simply Word only. Now, I've typed in some cute little sentences and I've brought up my toolbar. On some Microsoft Word versions, it's going to be an option up here where it says Layout, Document Elements, Tables, etc. That's where it's going to be. It's the EndNote, and it's from your toolbars. It's EndNote X7. But on this version of Office and Word, it shows up like this little bar I can move around. So what are we looking at? What can we do here? First, this will launch our EndNote software and bring it to the screen if it's not already running. This will allow us to search within our EndNote. So you can see a little bit that the EndNote has popped up in the background, and here I can search for what I want to insert. So let's say this is the article I want. I click insert, there it is. It puts the end of text citation and the in text citation, but it's not necessarily formatted the way I want it. What I can do is edit and manage my citations, how it looks as a citation. I can insert, select citations, note, figures, whatever I want to add. I can change my style depending on what I need to use, and I will have countless styles available to me. You can see that very often journal-specific styles, even if they're derivative of something like Chicago, APA, or MLA, will be here separately. And yes, they keep it pretty up to date. MLA 8th edition's already up here, and that's just a few months old. Here, it will allow us to format the document, including the rules we've set out. So if you see the way it comes out and you don't like the formatting, you can configure your bibliography. There's things you can do here. This is going to tell you temporary citation delimiters, but you might want to play with the layout, like your font, your size. Are you calling this a works cited list? Do you have to indent? Are you single spacing after? When you've set that up, you can then go and automatically update it. This will allow you to do a ton of formatting. Then there are tools. This includes the Cite while you write preferences, which might be to automatically open this up, set up your keyboard, how to deal with figures and tables, and which of the two applications you're using. So if you're only using the online version, you can make sure that's what it opens when you start using the Cite while you write. So that's the basics of Cite while you write. There's a lot more to it, but this is a general overview. And if you need more help, feel free to contact the librarians, including myself. We're always happy to help you learn more about using EndNote.